Ja, ik ga vandaag een lied zingen met Joe Cocker, Every Time It Rains. En het is een Cocker nummer natuurlijk. Daar hou ik enorm veel van. En het is officieel van Randy Newman, Every Time It Rains. Ik ben Eddy en u mag luisteren.
Every time it rains, I hang my head and I wonder why. Ever since you said goodbye, I felt so all alone. Every time it rains and summer showers soak the ground, I watch the rain come pouring down, and I call out your name. Every time it rains, I hang my head and I wanna die, and I don't seem to care that I'm not making on my own. Every time it rains, sometimes late at night I close my eyes and pretend that you are there with me. Every time it rains, I realize just how lonely my life is gonna be. Every time it rains, every time I hear the raindrops fall, I must say that I don't mind at all, but I do. Every time it rains, every time I try to tell myself that in time I find somebody else, but it won't be you. Every time it rains, every time it rains, oh darling, every time